This is how to do a soft reset on an infotainment center for a Chevy Silverado 1500. And now a quick disclaimer. I am not a mechanic, but after talking to a Chevy dealer and a mechanic, these were the instructions I was given. While this process helped me with a locked up infotainment center, I cannot guarantee that it will help in all situations. This video is for educational purposes only, and no guarantee is expressed or implied. Now on to the video. First, start the engine. Keep the truck in park during this process. Push and hold the end call button for 10 to 15 seconds. When the infotainment center starts rebooting, let go of the end call button. At this point, you'll see the infotainment center rebooting. Do not turn the truck off during this process. Let the truck run at least 3 minutes to make sure the infotainment center is completely rebooted. And you're done. I hope this video has been helpful. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe.